Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good profit, good money. Because we were expecting the market to come down, and as per our expectation, market broke the support and we got opportunity to make some money. And we can see that still the market is very much under pressure. Gold is standing at 17.3 level, 1703. And if you have any ongoing sell position in the market right now, or if you're still in a sell position, then you can be on the trade, you can continue with the trade. But if you're looking for any buy position in the market right now, or if you're thinking that market has gone down considerably and market should be going up, then I must tell you that you must be careful, because at this moment we do not have any good support in the market right now. Okay, listen to the video carefully. If you're doing anything right now, if you're busy right now, then please watch the video later. Okay, see, market does not have any good immediate support right now, or any reliable support right now. The only support is around 60 1680 to 81, 1680 to 1681. This is the only reliable support in the market right now. And see, market will be testing the support again. Okay, so obviously 1680 to 81 is also losing the previous charm. Okay, so 1680 to 81, this time it will be acting as a support. You can expect a bounce, but before that, before 1680 to 81, 1700 level may act as support. We do not have any surety right now, because here we could see that it tried to act as support, and 1700 is a round figure. Round figures in all of the market, okay, in all the markets of the world, okay, you'll find the round figures working as psychological support or resistance. So in that manner, you can expect the market to give a bounce of, let's say, 40-50 pips at least from 1700 to 1701 level. But do we have any other reason to trust 1700 level? No. Apart from being a psychological support, we do not have any other factor to consider 1700 as a good support. Technically, we don't have any such reason. Okay, so if market breaks, okay, listen to me carefully, if market breaks the level of 1700 level, and if you see that market has formed a big red candle, then obviously you can consider that sellers are dominating the market, sellers are back in action, and you can go for a sell if the selling pressure is too high below 1700 level. And there can be a heavy selling in the market also below 1700 level. Okay, but this kind of market is called as sell on rise market. Sell on rise market means, see, whenever market goes up, okay, it always goes in a zigzag pattern like this, or whenever market goes down, it goes down in a pattern like this. In this market also we can see that gold is following the similar pattern here. Gold is constantly forming lower highs in the market. Okay, and right now you can see that it has formed a low, so definitely we need to wait for a high, or you should be waiting for a high for a gold to form, so that you can take a sell position. And if gold goes up, okay, if gold bounces from the present level here, the first support resistance can be 1711 level. The first resistance can be 1711 level, but you can see that to consider 1711 level, we, apart from this factor, we do not have any other reason. It means previously this level acted as a minor support, so it can act as a minor resistance again. This is not a trustworthy level. मतलब कोई भी अच्छा level है ही नहीं आज के लिए. Okay. So 1711 is not a very strong level, but I think if the buying is normal, if the bounce is normal, okay, around 1720, okay, around 1720 or 1715, around these two levels, there may be some sort of selling, or there may be a trend, not trend reversal, there may be market will be reversing. Okay, we can see market reversing from this level. Why? Because of Fibonacci retracement here. We can see that I have drawn the Fibonacci here, and considering the Fibonacci retracement, we can expect the market to reverse on 1715, 1718, 1720 level. So do not place any sell position blindly once you find market reaching this level. When market will be at the resistance, just observe the market. If you see that around 1716, 1717 market is struggling to go higher, prices being rejected from above, then only take a sell position. Otherwise, it is better to avoid. Only good resistance I think in this market will be at around 1728, 1729 level. Why? Because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, and on the same on the same level, the support will be acting as resistance. So here we have two factors to consider: 1728, 29 to act as resistance. But 1711 is a very weak resistance. We are still not sure whether it will act as resistance or not. It's better to avoid. 1715, 16, 17. This may act as resistance, and we may see market reversing. Okay. We may see market reversing. Okay. But we must be very, very careful. After all, it's our hard-earned money, and it's our duty to protect it. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Personally, I will not be trading on gold today, because my theory is simple. It's my hard-earned money, so it's my responsibility to protect it. In this chart, where I do not have any clear picture, I'll strictly avoid. I'll look for opportunities on other charts. I'll strictly avoid any trading on gold today, because I do not have a clear picture. So if you are in a very tight spot right now, if you're not in a position to lose any money right now, then this chart is not for you. Please avoid taking any position on gold as long as we do not have any clear picture. Hopefully you got my point. So this is it. Bye bye, take care. And yes, RSI is also if you're wondering why I never talk about RSI, yes, I do not watch RSI, but sometimes I do look at RSI for divergences. Okay, I do not look for overbought oversold level. Okay, those days are gone. वो मतलब छोड़ आए हम वो गलियां जब मतलब overbought oversold देखा करते थे. Nowadays I look for divergence. So this is it. Bye bye. Take care.